Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And if this is your first time joining us today, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. What are we making?
An elephant.
An elephant, yes. What do we need for that?
We're going to need gray, pink, and probably blue.
Okay. Well, we're going to be using our acrylic pens today, but you do not have to use these. You can use whatever supplies you have around the house. And please make sure to stay till the end of the video where we share a couple of really interesting facts we learned about elephants.
Yes.
Let's get started. Okay. First off, I think it would be good to start with his ear. So we're going to put that right here. Okay, good. And then all we're going to do is make it just a little bit wavy.
Because elephants' ears are ginormous.
They are huge ears. Good. Okay, and now we're going to start with the head. So the head is going to be right here, and we'll stop it right there for now. Good. Okay, this is going to be kind of the end of the head, and this is going to be starting the trunk. So what we're going to do is stop it right there. Good. Okay, now what we're going to do is, let's see, we want to make a smiling one, right? And then this is going to just continue right up into the trunk. And you want it to go parallel.
Except when it starts with the smile.
Yes. Good. Okay. And then I'm just going to finish mine right there. Okay, good. All right, so now we're going to finish the mouth, and that's going to be right here. And we'll stop right there. Good. And then we almost come straight down like that. We're going to leave his feet for a second because we're going to be putting him in some water. So we'll just leave it like just a no feet for now. All right, and then let's put another one right here because they got big legs. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make the bottom, and that's going to come right into the next leg.
Rainbow line down.
Okay, and then come up, and then it comes in just a little bit, and then back up to about here. And behind the ear.
Ooh, cool. Like that.
Yes, good. And then let's do a tail. So the tail is going to be right here. And then, and it gets really skinny quick. It's almost something like that. Good. And then we're going to, something like that. Nice.
Fireball.
It does. Okay, let's work on the rest of his body here. So this is going to be kind of like his belly. So we're going to go like this. And then down. This is going to be like the leg that's on the other side. And this will make a little bit more sense once we color it. Okay, good. And then this is the other leg right here. And again, that's going to be in the water. Good. Okay, and then we're going to work back on the face here. So let's this. You know what? Let's give him some hair. That'd be kind of funny. Look at. Okay, and now let's work on the water because he's kind of taking a shower. So it's going to basically come out here and here. And then we're just going to make some like curlies. And these are going to be kind of like different shapes.
Because it's water.
Yeah, because it's water. And everybody's is going to look a little different coming out here. So we're just kind of... But you do want to get a little wider as you get further away. And I'm going to just stop mine kind of like this. Yes, perfect. And then, you know what, you can maybe make some other ones that are kind of like off to the side. Nice. Okay, and then finally what we're going to do is we're just going to round these off. And you'll see why when we fast forward. Well, I think it's time to fast forward and bring our elephant to life.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Jungle beat. Dance, dance, Ellie dance. Spin around, give a chance. Stomp your feet, shake your trunk. Ellie's moves have lots of spunk.
Well, we are back from fast forwarding and these came out great.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about your picture.
So I added a star because he's looking at the star, and I put a little water down here. It's some reflection. What about you?
His reflection? Oh yeah, because he's standing in the pool of water.
Yes.
Yes, I did kind of the same thing, and I added some little like elephant freckles, we'll call them. Well, we also had a couple fun facts that we learned. What did we learn about elephants? What did you learn?
Some elephants can live up to 80 years.
80 years, that's a long time. Well, I learned there's two kinds of elephants, and there's Asian elephants and African elephants. African elephants are the larger of the two, and in general, elephants are the largest mammals on the planet.
Yes.
Well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature. Well, we hope you had fun painting your elephant, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye for now.